Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and these are the top 3 things I like about the Air Max Pulse. Number 1, it reminds me of a lot of the sneakers I grew up with. I grew up in the 90s, and the presser from Nike said that this was inspired from the London music scene, and I can kind of see it. You know, I grew up in probably the golden era of grime, early 2000s, and you can see it around here. This sneaker itself reminds me of like the Air Max 95, the 97, and Air Max TN's shape. It's all breathed into this silhouette. Number 2 reason why I like it is because of that Air Max unit. Look at it, it's massive, great cushioning. We've done tons of T70s before and reviews in the past, so check those out if you've got a moment. And the number 1 reason why I really like the sneaker is because it is, again, harking back to point number 3, it is a love story, I guess, to the London scene. And it's really cool that Nike have kind of dubbed this the London music scene sneaker. I mean, traditionally, we will take the 95, we'll take the 110s, you know what I mean? But no, it's really nice that Nike have acknowledged grime. So those are my top 3 reasons why I like the Air Max Pulse. What are yours? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till next time, guys. Peace.